Hello people, welcome to Mr. T's Maths. In this video we will be multiplying double brackets. Okay, so the learning objective is expanding the product of two linear expressions. Okay, remember this is following the IGCSE maths book. However, it can be used for GCSE as well. Okay, maths is the same. Okay, let's move on. So two linear brackets. I would like us to first attempt a more geometric approach. Okay, so expanding brackets can be done as well by using geometry. So let me show you how to do that. Let's consider in this example, we are going to consider x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 4. So if we want to expand, expand and then simplify. All right, why expand and simplify? Because once we expand double brackets, we will end up with a quadratic expression, which can be simplified further. Okay, so first of all, let's look here at this term, x plus 2. Yeah, and let's just imagine a length. That's not very straight, but let's just imagine a length that's from here till there is x centimeters long, and from here till there it's 2 centimeters long. Yeah, by the way, it's obviously not accurate, right? Then the total length of this line is x plus 2. There you go. All right, now let's say that this side here, let's assume that this is a rectangle, okay? Please assume it, all right? Then this vertical line here is x till there. And then from here till, let's just extend this a bit more, yeah? Otherwise, some of you will not accept how can this be 4 when it's the same size as that one. Well, it's not accurate, right? Okay. Now, from here till there, then that's x centimeters, and from here till the end is 4 centimeters, okay? And now I'm just going to construct, let's say we are constructing here a rectangle, right? Whoop. There we go. Okay, and we are going to split it using these measurements. Ooh, that's not. It's quite difficult to keep that straight, but anyway, yeah. All right, then this length here, the total length is x plus 4. Okay, so what are we seeing? Basically, by, let me use the highlighter. Okay, so basically here, multiplying, we are saying that multiplying x plus 2 and x plus 4 is the same as finding the total area of this rectangle. But now, what is this rectangle made of? Well, it's made of 4 different shapes, okay? First of all, this one here, if this is x by x, yes, you've guessed it, that should be a square. It's made of the area of a square plus, let me change the color to keep this, to highlight the fact that it's different. And a rectangle, this is here a rectangle, which is 2 by x. Okay. Okay, we've used green, yellow, let's use red. Then plus this area here. Oh, that's really not happy with this. It's not straight at all. Okay. Plus that rectangle, which is x by 4. And then the last one, let's use purple for this one. 4 by 2, right? There we go. So we have our 4. I'm going to use a pen now. Although, let's see, hopefully it's the same color. Yeah, no, okay. So what's this area here? Let's start with the end, no? Well, if this side is 2 and this side is 4, 2 times 4 is 8. Brilliant. 8, well, it's actually positive 8, right? This is positive 2 and this is positive 4. Okay, let's go to the next one, red. Okay, what about the red rectangle? Well, this has a width of x and a length of 4. So 4 times x equals 4x. Piece of cake, isn't it? All right, so blue now. The blue rectangle, which is 2 by x, 2 times x equals 2x. Brilliant. Again, positive. Oh, and by the way, that's positive as well. The red one, we forgot about the sign. Yeah, that's positive as well. All right, so last one is the green square. This is actually a square because it measures x and x. So x times x equals x squared. All right, brilliant. So what is the total area? The total area, which also is equivalent to the expansion of this double bracket, is x squared plus 2x plus 4x uh, plus 8. Okay, so here is just expanding. That's what we've done there. Now we have to simplify, okay? As you can see, 2x, we have two like terms there. So x squared plus, this can simplify to 6x plus 8. Ta-da! And that's the simplifying bit. Okay, simplify. There you go. So this is a more visual approach. I really like it. I recommend it. What happens if you have a minus there? Well, you literally just, if I just quickly show you an example there, I'm not going to do it, but I'm just going to show you. Let's say you have x minus 2. Well, you just take this length to be x, and I know, yes, you can't have a negative length, but you just assume that's a minus 2. So if you have to multiply it by x, let's say plus 3, then you simply have minus 2 times positive 3. That will be a negative 6. Then x times negative 2 is minus 2x. X times x, x squared. X times positive 3 is positive 3x. So the result is x squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. And then you just have to simplify it. Okay, well, I leave that to you, the simplification. And yeah, let's move to the next slide, where I will be talking about this FOIL method. I'll be showing you the FOIL method. So the word mnemonic FOIL, right? Basically, it's just a way to remind you of the order of multiplication, yeah, the terms in the brackets. So if we have to expand and simplify x plus 2 times x plus 3, sorry, okay, we often, you probably have heard about this, we often use this method called FOIL. All right, FOIL stands for F stands for first, right? So first we multiply the first terms, so that's your F, first terms. X times x equals, I'm just going to write the answer here, x squared. Then O stands for outside. Okay, what are the outside terms? The outside terms are x and 3, all right? O, x times 3 plus 3x plus I stands for inside terms. Which ones are the inside terms? The inside terms are 2 and 3 plus, did I say 3? 2 and x, I meant to say. So 2 times x is 2x plus the last terms. The last term in the first bracket and the last term in the second bracket, which is 2 times 3. Okay, FOIL. Okay, so it's almost like it looks like a kind of a face, no? Well, 2 times 3, which is 6, and that's the expansion. That's the first bit. What we've done there, we have to expand, and that's what basically we have done. Now we have to simplify. How do we simplify? Well, remember, simplifying means collecting like terms. In this case, 3x plus 2x, which is 5x. And then I have my x squared plus squared plus 5x plus 6. Ta-da! And that's my answer. Okay, this is very interesting. It's very important to know how to expand double brackets, because later on you will have to learn how to factorize quadratic equations. If you notice here, this is a quadratic, well, did I say equations? Quadratic expressions. This is a quadratic, yeah, expression. Okay, so sometimes simply we don't like this form where the terms are just added, and we prefer everything written as a product, right? But anyway, for the time being, all you need to know is either the this approach using geometry, or the FOIL approach that I've showed you. Okay, so I hope this was useful. Here you have some examples so you can try for yourselves. Okay, I'm actually going to show you with this first question. Okay, I don't follow this FOIL method. I don't really like it, but it seems that students find it easier, okay, to work with at the beginning, I guess. But if we take x plus 4 times x plus 1, I mean, in my head, it's just easier to do things in order. What's the order? Well, first term, yeah, first term is being multiplied by the first term. Then first term in the first bracket is being multiplied. Oh, why do I get that? First term in the first bracket is just being multiplied by the second term in the second bracket. And then I'm just going to use another color just because I can. Then the second term in the first bracket is being multiplied by the first term in the second bracket, and second term in the first bracket is being multiplied by the second term in the second bracket. Anyway, just follow the arrows, right? So x times x is x squared. Let's change that to red. X times x is x squared plus x times 1 x. Okay, then we have purple. Let's take purple. 4 times x plus 4x plus 4 times 1, which is 4. Okay, then we have the like terms there, and I continue to simplify this. Plus 5x plus 4, and that's it. It's done. Yeah, I prefer doing it this way, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, the important thing is to do it correctly, earn those marks in your GCSE or IGCSE maths exam, because that's the most important bit. By the way, x plus 3 squared there can be done using the formula a plus b squared, which is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. If you don't know that, well, what is x plus 3 everything squared? It's simply x plus 3 multiplied by itself twice. That's it. No? Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found it useful. Pause the video at any time and just have a go at these questions, okay? And here are the answers. So yeah, you can just check your answers, right? And that's it. The outcome, basically, the outcome of this video. Yeah, my aim was to show you how to expand double brackets, and hopefully now you are confident, okay, and you will earn all those marks in your IGCSE or GCSE maths exam. All right. Okay, well, thank you very much for following, for seeing this video, and